Developing tonight, authorities in Texas have opened a criminal investigation into Governor Ron DeSantis' operation to fly Venezuelan migrants from Texas to Martha's Vineyard last week. The Bexar County Sheriff says his office is investigating whether the migrants were the victims of a crime. Several migrants said a woman approached them outside of a migrant center in San Antonio and offered them jobs and assistance if they flew to Massachusetts. But officials there had no prior knowledge of their arrival.
Look, we all know that during a political campaign, things can get nasty, things can get out of hand. But when you're playing with human lives of people that are already in a desperate situation, people that again, had every right to be where they were, but were lured under false pretenses, that does tend to bother me quite a bit.
The governor's office released a statement tonight saying in part, quote, immigrants have been more than willing to leave Bexar County after being abandoned, homeless, and left to fend for themselves. Florida gave them an opportunity to seek greener pastures in a sanctuary jurisdiction that offered greater resources for them as we expected.